Amber and I'm the Community Lead Officer at Connexin. We have a very exciting day today as we are installing our 25,000 customer. We've brought our lovely residents some goodies and some other extras.
Last broadband provider that we had a lot of technical difficulties, cutouts, we've had numerous routers, Ethernet cables, a lot, you name it, we've been sent it. The main reason for us getting Connexin is because one is the price point, absolutely amazing. Two as well is the speed that they're offering. We was on a lower speed and I just saw that. And I was like, yep, we're going for that because it's going to give us all a better quality.
Please feel free to go to our website to see some of our exciting offers that we have available at the moment.